discuss about constructor in Java. Before going to this topic, we must know about what is class in Java. Class consists of field, methods and constructor. What is field? The variable is declared within the class is called field. What is method? Method has a set of statements to be executed to perform a certain task. Then, what is constructor? Constructor, it is a special type of method. It is used to initialize of an object. What do you mean initialization? Initialization means when you creation of object, the value is assigned to the object. Then, what is the rules of constructors? Constructors, it is a special method that has same name as the class names. Second one, it don't have return types. What are the types of constructor in Java? There are two types of constructors. One is the default constructors, another one is the parameterized constructors. The default constructors that has no parameters at all. Parameterized constructors which has some parameters values. Constructor, when will constructor be called? When you creation of object, constructor will be called automatically. In Java, usually, how do we call your methods? With the help of object only, through object with the dot operator only, we can call your methods. But in constructors, it will be called automatically when you creation of objects. Now discuss about default constructors. What is default constructors in Java? Here, every Java program starts with the class followed by the class names. Class followed by the class names. Here, usually Java in class has field methods and constructor. In this program, we have no variables, no methods. We are having only constructors. It is the constructor that has the same name as the class name. Here, both the class names and method names both are same. Don't have parameters, so there is no return types at all. Okay, next one. We are creating another classes, class test constructors. Every class has one public static void methods. In the main method, we are creating objects for classes. In Java, once class has been defined, we can create a number of objects. In these programs, we are creating object for byte classes. How to create an object? There is a format. The format is the class name, object name equal to new class names. By using the format, we are creating objects. Class name is the byte, so it is an object name equal to new bytes. Here, when you creation of object, the constructor, the default constructors, it will be called automatically. So what is the output of this program? Output of this program is the byte is created. Next we discuss about parameterized constructors. Parameterized constructor means the constructor that has the parameters values. It has the parameters values. Okay, in this programs, here I am creating the student classes, class student. So here I am defining the field, defining the two fields are there. One is the student ID, another one is the student names. Next one is the constructor. So why we call it as the constructor? Because here class names and method names both are same. Having the parameters values int I, string n. So we call it as it is the parameterized constructor. Usually constructors don't have return types. Here we are initializing the values. Initializing by. Next, within the class have another methods, display methods. So display method, it is the return type is the void. This method is to display the print the values, display the values. So next we are creating another classes, class having the main methods. Within the main method, we are creating object for student classes. Object for student classes. First one is S1 is an object for student classes. Here we are passing the values 111, passing the two values. One is the ID, another one is the names. When you creation of an object, the constructors will be called automatically. and also the passing the values to on constructors. So whenever you are creating object, the values assigned to one, the values initialization. Initialization will be done in the particular object S1. Okay, S1 is in the memory location S1 ID equal to triple one, next name equal to Kannan. Now another statement, we are creating another object S2, and also we are passing the values ID triple two and name is money. So whenever you are creation of an object, the constructors have parameters values will be called automatically. Next one is the another in the memory locations S2 object ID equal to triple two, name equal to money. So the initialization will be done for objects. In this program, we are creating two objects. So once class has been defined, we can create number of objects. Okay. So in this program, we have two objects. Two objects values initialization will be done automatically. The constructor space is a special type of methods. Will be called automatically manipulation of objects. Okay. Next, we are calling the display methods by using the object with the help of the dot operator. S1 dot display. When you call in display methods, it will display the values. S1 dot display. So next, we are creating another object by using this object. We are calling the display method. What is the output of this program? This program is triple one Kannan, next triple two money. Okay, thank you.